Hi everyone! As promised, this is the tutorial for my eye makeup in the Zeesea brand review. This dramatic look is actually really easy to do. If you're planning to use lashes, I suggest applying them first to get the placement right. For the bottom of the wing, you can either follow the angle of the upward slope of the outer part of your lower lash line or the angle of your outermost lash if you're using falsies. The angle for both happen to be the same for me with these lashes. Use primer and use the blue eyeshadow to create the line for the bottom wing. You want to start connecting it to a spot about a millimeter above the corner of your eye and fill the triangle up and fade it in. Then lightly trace your eyeball to get this beautiful curve above your eye. Next, just grab the gold, fill up the blank space and blend it into the blue. Line the lower half of your lower lash line with the gold. Grab this highlighting shade and apply it to the center of your lower lash line. To sharpen the wing, just swipe it outwards with a beauty blender and that's it. Super simple, beginner-friendly look. For the rest of my face, I'm using the pink from Zeesea's Alice and Flamingo palette as a blush. Next, I'm applying Zeesea's highlighter in H08 on the apples of my cheeks, nose, and the sides of my forehead. Finally, I'm ombreing their lip cream in 8 and 9 on my lips. And that's it for my look. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you! Bye!